Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new chapter of English grammar, which is conjunctions. So let us find out more about the chapter. The words used to join two words, sentences, phrases, or clauses together are called conjunctions. The types of conjunctions and its uses will also be discussed in today's lecture. Practice questions and some solved example will also be given to you so that you can get the concept with more clarity. Let's begin the journey. See, conjunction actually is used to join the various types of sentences, phrases, or when we use them to join them together, it is called conjunctions, right? Now, let us find out some examples and of various words which are being used to join the sentences or words or clauses or phrases. Some words like so, or, and, but, because. Then either, but, because, for, or, so, yet, both. Some of them are various examples of conjunctions. Let's go further. Let us know kinds of conjunctions. We will also discuss these examples in sentences after some time. Let's first know what are the various types of conjunctions. The different kinds are coordinate conjunctions, subordinate, and correlative. Coordinate conjunctions are actually those conjunctions which work on the equal ranks or grammatical units. Say, for example, the bat and the ball are with me. You can easily see that both of them are correlative, right? Then coordination connects two phrases with nearly equal ideas. So nearly equal ideas means that both things are correlative of each other. See, like apples and oranges. Both of them are what? Fruits. Coordination connects those words or sentences where we can use for, yet, but, nor, either. These kind of conjunctions. Right? So you have a look at all these examples. The bat and the ball are with me. She was tired and exhausted because of a hectic day. The books and pens are on the table. The apples and oranges are in the basket. The umbrellas and van are in the holder. Let's go forward and know more about subordinate conjunctions. See, subordinating conjunctions join one clause to another on which it depends for its meaning. So see, clause actually means a part of sentence where the other part is correlative of it and it depends completely on the other part too. If we do not join it with the other part of the sentence, then it may not have the proper meaning. See, I didn't reach on time because of traffic. Right? Let's find out what does this sentence mean and how it uses subordinate conjunctions. See, subordinate conjunctions could denote time, cause, reason, purpose, result, condition, place, manner or extent, comparison, concession, or contrast. So basically, when two things depend on each other, then we are using subordinate conjunctions. The reason why he was not able to reach on time is what? Traffic. So because is a conjunction which gives the idea or reason for him being late. It was raining heavily, so I got wet. Again, One sentence is connected to another through the word or conjunction so. Here, see, because, so, as long as, where, although. These conjunctions are used to show the relation of one sentence with the other part of it, right? So you can make more sentences using the same idea. I hope this is clear. Subordinate conjunctions is clear? Yes. Now let's move forward to correlative conjunctions. As the word suggests, that correlative conjunctions, they work in pairs. They are correlative. One is related to another. So both of them are what? Relative to each other. Now, they always work in groups of two. These forms of conjunctions connect two sentences that are equal. These are either or, either nor, not only, but also, though, yet, both, and there could be many more. I have given the example of some of them. You can find out more. Let us understand the first example now. He is not only smart but also very kind. So, two qualities of a particular person are being explained here, and these conjunctions like not only but also, both of them are connecting to the qualities being given of a particular person. I hope this is clear. Let us move forward to the next example. Rahul is neither kind nor intelligent. I will either go for a hike or for shopping. So, two ideas or two qualities are being described, and there is a usage of correlative conjunctions to give the connection between the two ideas or two qualities. Right? Difficult words which I would like you to have an idea about. So, coordinate means cooperating. Begin, means start. Genuine means somebody who is truthful or true. Distinct means different. Illustration means examples. And whispered means what? When somebody is talking very slowly. How many of you have been whispering in your class while your teacher is writing on the board? Yeah, many of you would have been doing that, right? Next, move forward. Let's have a summary of the whole lecture that I have taught you right now. We begin this chapter. So when we began the chapter, I just gave you an idea about what conjunction is actually about. So conjunction is what? Conjunction is a connecting word, right? It is what? Connecting word. I have been always teaching in my class about some of the parts of speeches, and this is how my class remembers it. Like, what do you mean by noun? Noun is what? Noun are what? Noun is actually naming word. What do you mean by verb? Action word. Adjective is actually nothing but describing word, and there are many more. So these are actually the short forms of how we can remember the things. So what is the short form for remembering conjunctions? So actually the conjunctions are what? They are the connecting words, right? I hope you will remember it. The explanation went over the various types of conjunction, in which we also learned about how we can use the conjunctions to make a new statements, new situations, to create the comparison between two qualities of a particular person, to compare and connect the two situations together, right? And we also learned about the various types of conjunctions in this lecture. So the phrases linked by conjunction should be parallel. You should at least have this idea in your mind that what is the meaning of parallel? Actually, the meaning of parallel is both of them should run together, right? They should have the equal understanding with each other, right? This is what it means. Early conjunction education is critical for helping youngsters understand their grammatical errors and speak English. So, what you have to do is actually when you keep on practicing these examples, right, you will get a better way, a better idea of understanding the topic. And because you have not been so in use of these words, conjunctions are not so much used. Maybe you would need more practice, right? Noun and pronoun, all these things have been in use so frequently, but once you start using them in sentences, you will really like and you will really love to use conjunctions and you will frequently use them, right? So here I have given some examples and I've also given the answers. So that's all for today's class. Keep smiling, all of you, and keep enjoying my lecture. So you can solve all these examples. There are some practice questions for you.